there! I'm Chef Pot, ready to cook up some fun. Let's see what we have on the counter today.
Ugh, this is taking forever, but I'm getting the hang of it. There, perfect!
Almost done with this one. Now for the next one. Perfect!
Behold, my mini pizzas are ready. Look at that perfect crust and all the toppings. A true work of art. Time to enjoy my mini creations.
So delicious.
One down. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.